Again, we're doing it together. You want to do it together? Solo?
No. आजकल आप लोग बहुत ही साथ में आते हैं, लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि आप लोगों की जोड़ी बहुत ही अच्छी है।
हाँ, मैं भी ये मानता हूँ कि हमारी जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी है। हमको 4-5 और फिल्में करनी चाहिए, है ना? अलग अलग किस्म की फिल्में, हम कॉमेडी कर लेते हैं, एक्शन फिल्म कर लेते हैं।
Very excited actually because it's my first time on Grazia Style Awards and it's their seventh. They finished seven years and they were going a bit retro, so I thought we'll dress like that. But yeah, super excited actually.
I'm also very excited. Basically, I'm a fashion designer by education. तो जब भी मौका मिलता है to be a part of anything to do with fashion, it's very nostalgic for me. So it's great.
Radhika, whom are you wearing tonight?
Urvashi Juneja.
I'm wearing my father. Pants are my father's.
Okay, one question is not from the event. Supreme Court has recently passed a rule saying that the live-in relationship couples will be considered as married couples after 2 years. So do you think that in a country like India, where marriage is given so much of importance, somewhere down the line the importance of marriage will just go down because of the rule coming in?
I don't think it will go down, but I'm very happy that they are considering live-in relationships as important as marriage in a way, because it exists abroad everywhere. Not everywhere, but lots of countries. So I'm very glad that they're doing that. But I don't see that the importance of marriage will go down because large population in the country will still get married.
Yeah, but I think it's the interpretation also, no? If they would say that by default two people who are living together will be considered as married, so then it's a bit...
I mean...
It's a double-edged sword.
Yeah,
not only married, it's like if you have a child also from a live-in relationship, that child won't be treated as illegal.
Exactly, yeah.
All the legal conditions, whatever.
No, I'm very happy about that. I'm super happy about that. I think it has high time.
And you think that our country will accept such kind of rules?
I think eventually it will. It will. I mean, in cities you see a lot of couples living together, and I'm not saying it will increase, massively, but I just feel that it's good to recognize that. It's good to give that equal importance, and it will hopefully change the mindset of more people, but it will take time, I guess.
I'm not so sure about it because I think there are good things to it and there are also equal amount of bad things to it. I think my thoughts are not fully formed about this, so I really need to seriously think about it properly. Yeah.
Okay, I know that you guys are married. Not एक साथ अलग-अलग. Okay, लेकिन अगर आप लोगों को एक चांस दिया जाए कि किसी एक बॉलीवुड या हॉलीवुड एक्टर के साथ लिव इन रहने के लिए, तो वो कौन होगा?
My husband. He's also from Bollywood.
Oh yeah. Oh, like that. Yeah.
Like that.
Live in relationship with somebody. Let me see. Claire Danes.
I think I'll have it with Kate Blanchett.
Have you seen Homeland? That from Homeland, yeah. Claire Danes. Her name is Claire Danes. Claire Danes. I'd like a living relationship with her.
Kate Blanchett, though she's a woman, I'm the biggest fan. I think.
Bravo.
I'm like today
It's okay,
is like a day
cut.
to like drop things. Anyway, thank you.
होते जा रहे हैं आप दोनों इन दिनों हम देख रहे हैं खास वजह?
I think
मैं तो हूँ यार स्टाइलिश में, क्या है ना, घर पे भी मैं बहुत स्टाइलिश हूँ। मैं सोने के लिए जाता हूँ तो बहुत स्टाइलिश कपड़े पहन के सोता हूँ। कभी मैं टक्सीडो पहन के सो जाता हूँ। ये आप लोग आओ, कैमरा को लेके आओ, सोते हुए देखो मुझे, बहुत स्टाइलिश सोता हूँ। मैं बुला रहा हूँ ना यार।
I think नहीं यार, अभी before Badlapur I haven't done a lot of promotions or sort of not really been to a lot of such events. So I think that's all, and you'll just see me more now only because my film's out.
हमने पिछले दिनों में कुछ बातें की थी, आज फिर से आपके साथ बताऊंगा। सोशल नेटवर्किंग मीडिया पे आपकी कुछ पिक्चर्स आई है, कुछ पिक्चर्स ट्वीट की है। आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कितना सही है वो? क्या गलत है?
तुम्हें क्या लगता है दोस्त मेरे? नहीं, मेरा चेहरा तुम्हें देखना नहीं है ना?
देख लो, नाम को देख लो।
जी, net neutrality. No, I think you should go on the save the internet. I think the site is save the internet, and you have to vote. I think that's not the thing. It's like internet is so handy today that any person sitting anywhere in the world can do what he wants and upload what he wants. and comment on what he wants or she wants. So I think you can't do any much about it. I mean, whether that happens or not, I don't think you can do much about it, and there's no point in indulging into that at all.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
cheers. Yeah.